Let's make stuffed capsicums. Let's taste it. We need tiny capsicums, cumin seeds, saute the onion, cut capsicum into half. When onions are little brown, add potatoes. White turmeric powder, red chili powder, and mango powder, which is amchur. Add salt according to your taste. Let's mix it. Now take out the seeds. You can fill tomatoes too. Take out the seeds and fill tomato filling. Stuff the capsicum and tomatoes. Let's fill the tomato. Stuffing is ready. Stuffed green chilies too. If you have jalapeno, you can fill it that too. It's so good. Take out the seeds and stuff the potatoes. Jeera or cumin seeds. Add onions. Little bit of salt. Now add some dhania powder or coriander powder, masala. Now cover the lid at low heat. Let capsicum get soft. Now flip it. So it can cook on both sides. Cover it again. Put some kasuri methi at the top. Now you can see capsicum is soft.